Yes, students, good morning to all of you. Today we have to take third part of present tense, that is present perfect. Any work has been done at present, that is called present perfect. See rule first. Subject, has, have, third form of the verb and object. We have learned already where has and have should be used. See examples. I have written a letter in English. You have taken my bag. She has seen your school. Your father has bought a new computer. We have bought a new car. He has sent a new book. They have gone abroad. Nandini has driven a car. Yes, these are affirmative sentences. Now we can change into negative, interrogative and interrogative plus negative. Negative, subject, has, have, not, third form of the verb and object. Interrogative, take helping verb first, means has, have, subject, third form of the verb and object. Interrogative and negative, has, have, subject, not, third form of the verb and object. Always use interrogation sign in interrogative, interrogative plus negative, such as he has done his homework. He has not done his homework. Has he done his homework? Has he not done his homework? Now see, WH family words also simultaneously. Take rule first. WH family words, has, have, subject, third form of the verb and object, such as what have you written? Where has he gone? With whom has your brother come? Who has done this work? Why have they gone to market? Which newspaper have you read? Who has taught you? He has not come back so far. Yes, students, now we have done third part of present tense, that is present perfect, properly. I hope you might have understood thoroughly. You can revise if you have doubt anywhere. Then you have to check yourselves. Again, I remind you, do yourselves honestly. After that, you can match with answer. All the best. Thank you.